Hi, I'm Nunu, and welcome to Too New For You, or so it seems. Hi, how you guys doing? I'm so glad you clicked on the video, because today, I'm about to show you how to make some slouch socks. You know the socks that everybody's making them all junky? Yeah, I'm going to make a pair of those. Well, I'm not really going to make the socks are already made. I'm just going to make them too new for you. Let's go ahead and get into it. I went to the beauty supply store, and I got me some socks. What I want to do is I want to make mine a little bit more fluffier. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm going to do is take this pair right here, and I'm just going to cut the slouch off. Now, I got some little bitty old ankles, but I still want to make them a little luscious. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut right here. Just right across. Okay, so now I'm just taking the other pair and separating them, and then I'm just going to join the two together. So I'm going to take this part right here, and inside out first. Put it like this. So you got the good side to the good side. Just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and stitch all the way around. All the way around. So it's just stretch and sew. And then I got some charms off of Amazon that I'm going to be using, of course. And then off with, I like this. Isn't that nice? That is so nice. Yes, I'm going to put that on there. And where's the other one? Because I do want them to match. Okay, I like them. Okay, so we're going to do that. And we got these little gold. Okay, so this is pretty much where I want everything. And then I am going to use good old needle and thread to secure the items on the sock. So I'm going to start with the crosses right here. These were some old earrings that I had. This one still got the hook on it. I'm going to have to take the hook off of this one. Yeah, and I like those. Okay, so now I'm going to open up my ladder. It's an N. It is new. And I think I can iron this one, actually. Yep. Set iron to a medium-high heat with no steam. Remove backing from patch and adhere to fabric on the surface. Placing cotton cloth over to prevent melting. Hold iron over patch with pressure 10-20 seconds for best results. Repeat until patch is completely adhered. Allow time to cool before you enjoy. Okay, put that in here right there. Okay, so now I'm just gonna sew my little scissors here on. I'm gonna do the other little part. And one right there. No, I want them together. So maybe I'll do two right here. Maybe like that. Okay. Guess we put them right here. Over here and put that right there. Okay. I like the that one on there. And gonna put that one right over there. And tie a little knot. Okay. And then I'm just gonna back down up in here. All right, there we go. Oh, isn't that cute? Isn't it cute? Hey. Let me put my end right there. Hopefully my little warmer upper is warm. My little warmer upper is a warm. Got the little scissors. Cause I be cutting. Cause I be cutting that shit. Cause I be cutting that shit. Cause I be cutting that shit. The rain, let's see. Stars will come. This we knows the show. Tell me, can you stand the rain? Oh Lord, I ain't even take the thing off. Come on now. I hope I ain't messed it up. Okay, there we go. Now, peel it off. Okay. So now, it's gonna go right here, right down there. One more time, won't hurt. Okay. Perfect. Okay. All right. So we got one a little, yeah. Okay. So you want to just make sure you take it nice and slow when you're doing this. Just nice and slow. I just wanna take it nice and slow. Speaking of nice and slow, cause I've been waiting for this for so long. I wasn't even gonna say nothing, but since it came into my mind, I'm gonna go ahead and say something. Now, I had asked my cousin to make me some slouch socks last year, right? Now, I had asked her, matter of fact, I already paid for the socks, okay? So her birthday is in October, so I ended up sending her some money for her birthday, and then I sent her extra money to pay for the socks. So I let them put a knot in it, right? So her birthday in October, mind you. I told her, you know, send me the socks whenever. Her birthday in October. I paid for the socks in October. So I'm like, you know, just give them to me whenever or whatever. No rush. What did I just do? So I'm talking to her, you know, and she ain't sent the socks. So I'm like, you know what, cuz, don't even worry about it. Just send it for Christmas. You know, it'll be my Christmas gift or whatever. Just send it for Christmas. Christmas came and went, y'all. I'm like, well, you know what? Just make them for St. Patty's Day. You know what I'm saying? Child, St. Patty's Day and came and went. So you know my birthday in May. So I'm like, you know what, cuz, just send them for my birthday. You know what? I'm just gonna make my own because, yeah. I'm just gonna make my own. Just charge it to the game. So you guys let me know down in the comment section. Should I ask my cousin for my soft socks that she already made? I already paid for. Charge it to the game. Hopefully they turn out cute. Because I ain't never made no sock stops before. So we're going to see how they turn out. Okay. We're going to see together. Okay. Now I'm just going to pull this down a little bit like that. And then I'm going to put my scissors on here. See, my first sock I did flat, but this one I went ahead and stuck a water bottle in there so that I can, you know, try them standing up. So they're going to be similar. So that's cool. All right, put some beads on there. Okay, the back is junky enough, so let's put some more on the front. Okay, so you know I had to put some bobbins on here. It just didn't feel right without the bobbins. You know, I had to add my little bobbins on here. And here they are. They're all done. Yes, I love them so much. I'm going to be wearing these on my birthday, which is in a few days. So, what do you think? Are they too new for you? I think so. Thanks so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more.